In this video, you'll learn how to build a customer support bot using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up the environment, create necessary files, and implement a functioning bot that can respond to customer inquiries effectively. Start by verifying your Claude 2026 environment. Open your command line interface and type the command Claude-V. After executing this command, you should see output confirming the CLI version as 2026x, a list of available models and an endpoint pointing to api.claude.ai/v2serdo26. If any of this information is missing, you must stop and address your installation issues before proceeding. Once your environment is verified, initialize your project, create a new directory for your support bot by typing memgate support bot and then navigate into this directory using cd support bot. Next, create an environment file by typing nai-def. Open this file in Notepad with the command notepad-ev. In the open file, input your Claude API key and model like this: cl_dude_API_key your _model Claude-3.7 Pro. After entering this information, save the file and close Notepad. There is no need for an export command since the 20T CLI will automatically load the environment variables. Next, you will create a knowledge base for your bot. Type knowledge.json to create the file, then open it in Notepad using notepad-knowledge.json. In the JSON format, you can add various responses that your bot can use. For instance, you might include entries like refunds, delivery times, and account reset procedures. An example content could be bike refunds, refunds are processed within 5-7 business days. Delivery, standard delivery, 5 business days, account reset, click forgot password on the login page to reset your account. Now you will create the bot engine script. Type nebot.ps1 to create this file and open it with notepad-bot.ps1. In the script, define a parameter for the user message. Next, read the knowledge base from the JSON file. You will establish a context for the bot, emphasizing clarity, politeness, and conciseness. The script will format the payload, which includes the model, messages, and maximum tokens. Finally, use invoke REST method to send a request to the Claude API and output the bot's response. Be sure to save the script once you've pasted the code. So run the bot, execute the command .bot.ps1-user message. How long does delivery take? You should see a professional response from Claude based on your knowledge base. To make the bot interactive, edit the bot.pes1 script and replace the bottom section with a loop that continuously accepts customer input until the user types exit. This allows for real-time interaction with your support bot. After editing, save the changes and run the script again with .bot.ps1 to initiate your live terminal support agent. For a production-ready setup, consider implementing conversation ID tracking, logging, sentiment detection, and escalation routing. You can add logging functionality by appending the user's input and the bot's response to a log file. Use the command add content logs.txt $input message $response output _text to record each interaction. This will help in analyzing and improving the bot's performance over time. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.